hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about checking the fluid on your differential. Now, I do have a Freightliner Cascadia up in the air. Doesn't matter what you drive. The only difference would be is probably the tool, right? Majority of them will be a crescent wrench. If it doesn't have a crescent wrench and it looks like a square plug, it's going to be a 1/2 inch drive ratchet, and make sure you use a breaker bar style to break it free. It'll just make your life easier. All right guys, before we get started, don't forget to pound that like button for the videos you like and love, as well as any concerns or questions, or even the video that you like to see, leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, to save money and have more information come your way, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let's hop right into checking the fluid in this differential. Like I said, on this Freightliner Cascadia, I'm gonna use a crescent wrench. If it doesn't have where you put a crescent wrench on it and it just looks like it's an inverted square, it's gonna be a 1/2 inch drive, right? And get the breaker bar. Also, rag, right? What we're gonna do is we're checking this fluid. And the whole point of checking fluid is, one, if you just got the vehicle and you're not sure, you're gonna check it. If it smells like it's burnt, replace the fluid. If you just had a wheel seal that was blown and you're not sure if the shop should have checked it like they're supposed to and you wanna double check it, this is another good reason, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use my crescent wrench to break this plug free. And if you guys are not sure, like I said, on this 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, the oil, it's gonna be a 75, 90 weight full synthetic, all right? So that's what this differential takes. It's the same as your transmission. Just remember that. All right, if you guys remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. All I'm gonna do is get it nice and snug and then push hard and then start breaking it free, just like so. All right, put this bad boy in my pocket. All right, so oil didn't come out. Don't freak out. Doesn't mean we are empty. It might be a little low, but we're gonna check. Also the plug, right? It's magnetic. What we wanted to look for is, you're gonna see a little bit of gray. Don't freak out. What we don't want is a big piece of chunk of metal. Because if we have a big piece of chunk of metal on this bad boy, that means there's something wrong with the differential and we probably need to investigate it a little bit more. So what I do is, as you can see, it's just normal stuff, nothing crazy. Maybe a little bit of burr, which is fine because it is metal on metal, but no big pieces, nothing to be concerned. I just wipe it off. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick my finger through the hole, the port. I'm gonna stick it in and go like this, just a little. If I can touch the fluid, then I know that we're still full. All right, and there you go. I don't know if you guys can see a little drop. Our differential is good. Differential fluid is full. I didn't go down trying to feel the fluid. It's literally just a little touch. So now I know that our fluid is full. Now, if you guys feel like you need to have some coming out, it's not gonna hurt it. Pump a little bit, it's probably gonna take a quart. All right, nothing crazy. Squeeze it in there or pump it in there. And then if it starts coming out a little bit, then put the plug back in. Just like that, put it with your hand and take your crescent wrench. You're gonna feel a little bit of resistance right when you feel that. Just another quarter turn and then you're done. It's that easy. And you guys can do this and not pay the shop minimum of anywhere between $160 to $200, just saying. And all I used was the crescent wrench. All right guys, so if you like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns of what you saw today, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We are here to save you money.